Guys, listen up. All right, we got some breaking news. Metro Boomin has dropped the name of the album again. Not All Heroes Wear Capes project. It dropped, I think, last night, and you know we have to do a type beat on. We have to do a beat on it. We're gonna do a Metro Boomin type beat. All right, I'm gonna open up Atmosphere. It's already open actually. We're gonna hop on Atmosphere, and we're gonna go ahead and find a melody. All right. So yeah, let's get this beat going. Alright, we got our first melody. It was really quick actually. It only took me about 4 minutes to do. So here's what I got so far. Let me actually stretch this thing out. Alright, so this is what I got so far. It's a very simple melody, but yeah, here's what it sounds like. I also used the what's the freaking preset? Pure in Spirit, that's what I used. It's in the Bells and Vibes, Atmosphere. Alright, here's what it sounds like. But yeah, there's what I got so far. And I also added gross beat, yes I know, but the thing with this one, I half sped it, but I turned this thing down a little bit. I don't have it fully activated or whatever, and then I added some reverb as well. So yeah, that's what I got. I'm definitely gonna add another melody to it. Let's look in. I want to use Nexus just because Atmosphere takes too long to open up, so we're gonna check out Nexus and see what Nexus has. Alright you guys, so we got some very interesting. Okay, so what I did, like I said, I opened up Nexus, so I just, I accidentally showed you it, the melody first, but I'll show you guys that in a second. But for Nexus, what I did, I chose the Lo-Fi Rhodes piano. It's in the piano thing, and I did something really interesting. So I took off the first sound off the mix, and I just kept the second sound, added a flanger, did this to it, and then what I did was, once again, added gross beat, of course, but instead of half speeding it, I reverse half speeded it. So that just means playing in half speed but backwards. So obviously it's gonna take that one step to play the actual beat. So what I mean by that is when you have the gross beat on and it's like in reverse at any point, it's gonna delay the beat. So like, look, I'm gonna play it now, and then it delays playing. So instead of having that issue, or to solve that issue, what I did was I recorded it in Edison. As you can see here, I just recorded it. Same thing, just if it would play. Wow. In Edison, there you go. Recorded in Edison, then I dragged it all the way out here, and then I started chopping it up, and then I tried matching it with the melody, and it sounded real nice. So the original was what you guys almost heard. So let me turn off the gross beat. The original is here. So that's the original. And then what the actual beat together with everything, it sounds like this. Or, well, actually, let me just play this. what I got, and then everything all together finally. But yeah, it's already sounded really intense, so you know, I'm gonna go ahead, go to the drums, and then yeah, let's just do this thing, man. This beat is insane so far.
2,000 years later.
Alright, 808s are done. I'm gonna just show y'all. Snares, man needs snares. Alright, we got our drums down. I just gotta mix the beat, and then we're gonna be done with this, and I'm gonna go and play some FIFA. So, without further ado, let's finish this damn beat. Alright, I'm back. Hello, hi. Beat is done. I didn't arrange it. I probably should do that, shouldn't I? One moment, please. Alright, you guys. Alright, so I finally laid out everything on the thing, on the playlist, and it's looking real nice, real nice. I'm gonna let y'all hear it. And without further ado, here is my, once again, masterpiece. I don't know about y'all, but I thought that was yet another banger from yours truly. But if you guys liked the video, make sure to leave a like. Don't forget to comment on, oh, let me take these off. Jesus Christ. Don't forget to comment on videos that you do in the future in the comment section below. And don't forget also to share this video with your friends. Tell them about Nas Gang, you know how it is. And of course, don't forget to subscribe and turn on post notifications while you're at it. And I'm see y'all in the next one. Peace.